Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem we've seen on this exam that we're taking, okay, it says, in a group of students, 3/5 like math. Okay, here, let me get this pen going. Pen, they like math, okay? 3/5 like math. If there are 25 students in the class, how many do not like math? Okay, so what they're looking for is how many don't like math, not how many like math, okay? So you could solve this two ways. You could figure out, use the 3/5 times 25. Okay, you could go 3/5 times 25 equals, okay, this is how you could solve it. Okay, so the 5 goes into this 5 times, so it's 15. 15 like math. Okay, they like. Okay, now we could take the whole 25. Okay, we could take the 25, subtract 15, means 10 do not. And that would be the answer, okay? But don't forget, I said, we're taking a quiz here. We're on a time thing. Hey, the teacher's only giving us so many minutes to finish this thing, okay? What I'd do, if I was looking at this right, I'd know that 3/5, okay, 5/5 equals the whole class, okay? 5/5 is everything. So if you got 3/5, and you know it was 5/5 is the whole class, 5/5, okay, you know 5/5, let's move this over a little. You know 5/5 is the whole class. I do a subtraction on this, it equals 2/5. 2/5 do not. Okay, I just do that real quick in my head. I know that 2/5 don't like math, okay? Now, I just take the 2/5 times 25. The 5 goes here, 5 goes here, 5 equals 10. Do not. You see how I just saved myself a step by doing it like that? Okay, just quickly in my head, I know that 5/5 equals the whole class, and that means it's 2/5 of the class don't like it, so I just saved myself a subtraction step. And I don't want to say that that's sometimes where errors are made. You just subtract wrong, you take 15 off 25, you come out with 15, okay? And that can happen, and then I'm sure one of the answers is going to be 15, okay? So that's the way I do it. I just subtract it real quick in my head. I know that 5/5 is the whole class, 3/5, 2/5 do not like math. But you have to read this question real good, because you might say, hey, how many students like math? And you don't get to the last one. You're just skimming over it real fast, okay? So you got to read these things once or twice and know exactly, hey, what are they looking for? Because sometimes they might be looking for both answers. They might be looking for the ones that like math, and they might be looking for the ones that do not like math. So they could be looking for both, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you know any mathematical friends that like word type problems, because this is a nice word problem, or any students in school, please share this with them, okay? Because they might come across problems like this on their test, and they'll say, hey, let me read this twice, okay? What are they actually looking for, okay? And as you see, I underline the words that they're, do not, okay? So we know what they're looking for, and that's the key, okay? Thank you very much. You have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.